In this video, we will learn how to transform a video recorded by a camera in its raw and basic format into a professional and color-enhanced video that can be used in the creation of music videos and films. First, we'll dive into the effects and apply the beautybox effect to the video. Now, let's access the effect settings. In the settings, we have two options for selecting dark and light colors. First, we choose the dark color and apply it to the darkest part of the face to select the color. Then, we select the light color and apply it to the brightest part of the face. As you can see, all the imperfections have been removed, but our video has taken on a slightly blurred appearance. To address this, we set the sharpness option to 100 to bring clarity to the image. That was the beauty face section. Now, let's move on to the effects section and choose the lumetri color effect. In the lumetri color effect, we have two options, creative and curves. In the creative section, we start by applying 100% vibrance for testing. Then, we go to the curves and adjust the curve as I have done. If you feel that the vibrance is too high, you can reduce it. That's it. Let's play the video once again together. As you can see, the areas I've mentioned have become much more beautiful than before, and now we have a professional video at our disposal. Please subscribe to the channel so that I can receive support this way and create more videos for you. Stay tuned for my next surprises.